in a decision that could reshape global military power. NATO may be turning away from the United States for decades. One aircraft defined Western air dominance, the Boeing E3 Sentry, a flying radar station, watching the skies, controlling the battlefield. But now, that era is coming to an end, because a new challenger has emerged, faster, smarter, more efficient, built not in America, but in Europe, the Saab GlobalEye, and if reports are true, this decision could change everything since the Cold War. NATO's eyes in the sky have depended on one platform, the Boeing E3 Sentry, with its iconic rotating radar dome. It could track hundreds of targets across hundreds of kilometers. It coordinated fighter jets, tracked enemy bombers, and ensured NATO always had the upper hand, from tense standoffs with the Soviet Union to modern operations in the Middle East. The E3 became the backbone of airborne surveillance. But time is catching up. Today, the E3 fleet is aging rapidly. Maintenance costs are skyrocketing, spare parts are harder to find, and the technology is no longer enough. Modern warfare has changed. Stealth aircraft, hypersonic missiles, drone swarms. These threats demand faster detection, smarter systems, and real-time battlefield awareness. The E3 simply wasn't built for this world. The solution seemed obvious: the Boeing E-7 Wedgetail, a modern airborne early warning aircraft, already used by key U.S. allies. It promised better radar, improved efficiency, and a direct upgrade path. But behind the scenes, problems began to emerge. Costs continued to rise, timelines slipped, and confidence started to fade. What was supposed to be a smooth transition became uncertain. At the same time, Europe was rethinking its future. For decades, NATO relied heavily on American defense systems. But now, a new idea was taking hold: strategic autonomy. The ability to defend Europe, using European technology, less dependence, more control, greater independence. And that shift opened the door for a new contender. Introducing the Saab GlobalEye, a next-generation surveillance aircraft designed for modern warfare. Unlike traditional AWACS, GlobalEye doesn't just watch the skies. It monitors air, land, and sea simultaneously. Powered by Saab's advanced Erieye radar, it can detect targets at extreme distances, even low-flying threats. And it's built on the sleek Bombardier Global 6000, giving it longer range, higher speed, and lower operating costs. Fewer crew, more data, better awareness. In many ways, it represents the future of airborne surveillance. If NATO fully commits to GlobalEye, the impact will be massive. For Boeing, it could mean losing one of the most important military contracts in decades. For Saab AB, it's a breakthrough moment, a signal that European defense companies are ready to compete at the highest level. And for NATO, it marks a turning point. The future of warfare isn't just about firepower, it's about information. Who sees first? Who understands faster? Who reacts instantly? Airborne systems like GlobalEye are becoming the nerve centers of modern battlefields, connected to satellites, drones, and fighter jets, creating a real-time network of war. NATO's decision could redefine military alliances and reshape the balance of power in the skies. But the real question is this the end of American dominance in airborne surveillance? Or just the beginning of a new global competition? If you want more deep military analysis like this, subscribe to Jet Vortex and stay ahead of the battlefield.